This is Camera collides with pickup truck at an intersection, Cypress, Texas. This happened in USA. Submitted by fking22. We are watching clip with title, GMC Envoy runs red, T-boning and flipping Ram 1500. This happened in USAFL. From the user. Next is, did someone order a wrench? This happened in USA. Submitted by Zachatak86.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Las Vegas today at Sahara and Tree Line. This situation happened in USA. From the user L30. Almost clipped him. Within inches. This happened in USA. From the user imaginary situation. Okay, let's move to another clip. Driver goes flying over the median into the oncoming lane. Location Canada, USA MAOC. Thank you for submitted. Homicidal penguin.
Holy fuck!
Okay, let's move to another clip. Downtown Crazy Town. This happened in Canada. From the user, Golf.
So, I'm really confused.
Go to next clip. Train hits truck on track. This happened in USA. From the user Tomatronics.
Holy shit.
Well, this is nothing exciting. Just a good day to have a dash cam. This happened in USA. From the user Bannerman.
Well, let's take a little break there then, and we'll come back and talk a little bit about parrots in the wild.
Want to learn about a pterosaur and call it pterodactyl? How to take a perfect poop.
Next is, Bradoza doesn't like doing 39 in a 35. Rides my ass. Blinding headlights. And passes on shoulder as I enter turn lane. This situation happened in USA. From the user Snadzes. Crane truck almost defeats the 11-foot 8-8 bridge. This happened in USA. Thank you for submitted. Tomatronics. This is, driver will change lanes. No matter what. This situation happened in USA. Thank you for submitted. Nuck Evil.
Come on, people. And you're gonna screw me over, aren't you? Yep. That's typical. What the crap? Wow.
This clip title is Okay, let's move to another clip. Vehicle fails to stop at disabled traffic lights. Strikes camera. This situation happened in USA. From the user Richman SCTV. Well, this is failure to yield making left turn results in collision. This happened in USA MA. From the user DOD2190. This clip title is short compilation of drivers not looking where they're going. Location USA MOOC. From the users Okusho.
Fucking hell, dude.
But unlike for viewers, when you ever get the slot machine to give you a special move, it instantly activates, and you just get it. It's like Travis throwing fireballs, or he goes like Super Saiyan, Travis Super Saiyan, and his hair becomes gold, and he can kill everybody really, really easily. This one move, Anarchy in the Galaxy, you need to trigger by holding like B and press A at the same time while holding like minus or something. I forget what it is. We had no idea that move was in the game, so that could have broken the game. That could have crashed it. We had no clue.
Like, it does feel like a human being made this. It's not just like glossy corporate product.
Right. The only other thing, I'm not sure how you guys feel about this, but like the original, I'm not sure if you saw this, but the original.
Okay, let's move to another clip. Car runs red arrow. While I nearly get sideswiped. Location USA NCOC. From the user Carolina Indian 02.
Asian in America is to be invisible. What did you mean by that?
People don't know the stories of Asian Americans. Like when I was growing up in the 1970s.
Back-to-back hard cutoffs on a leaf-peeping cruise. Language warning. Location USA NYOC. Thank you for submitted. Boo wheat. This is how not to pass a cyclist. This situation happened in USA VA. Thank you for submitting. Murbach 3 yard.
What are you doing?